Hello, if you are wondering if you can switch lenses while recording a video in the camera on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, then the answer is technically yes. There is a way to switch the lenses. There is no manual way to do so. I mean, you cannot really pick which lenses you want to use. But let's say if you zoom in enough, just enough to switch the lenses, then of course you will do that, because as you can see right now, I have ×3 zoom, and if I switch to 5, then I switch the lenses as this piece of paper that I have over here moves a little bit upwards. So you may notice that, yeah, now it is clearly visible, the switch of lenses. So technically it is possible to switch the lenses. You can also switch to the front camera if needed. I'm gonna actually record the video just to showcase that it is possible, because I just did that without recording. But as you can see, it works fine as well while recording. And in addition to that, like I said, we can also press this button in order to switch to the front camera. So we can switch lenses if we change the zoom. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.